Hi kitty cats. Today I'm gonna show you my highlighters. We're gonna declutter them. And so I'm just gonna get into it. First, of course though, remember to share, subscribe, all that jazz. And yeah, I'm gonna get into my decluttering. This is just the highlighters because that's all that's in this drawer is highlighters. So first of all, we've got these L'Oreal Infallible Galaxy Sticks. I haven't used them very much, but I think I would like to use them more. There's, what colors do we got here? We've got Cosmic Pink, Galaxy Gold, and Astro Blue. I think I'm gonna keep the Cosmo Pink and then get rid of the gold and the blue because they don't interest me as much. I would swatch everything, but highlighters aren't always easy to swatch. Like, you can't always tell by swatching them, you know. This one is that glow though from Trust Fund. That's all it is. There is no like specific color on it or anything. I've always kind of liked this, so I will be keeping. This is Laura Geller's Easy Illuminating Stick in the color Ethereal. I actually have two of these because I actually do really like this one. But one of them, you know, I'm gonna get rid of one though. I am. And pass it on. Because it's just silly for me to have two of them. I know one could be a backup, but I mean, it lasts forever. So I just don't see the reason for that. This is Glotion from Wander Beauty. I'm not that impressed with it. It's gonna go. Actually pretty good here. This is L'Oreal's Lumi Lotion. I am keeping this. This is nice for, you know, more like your shoulder blades or something like that, or just, I like to put a little bit in my cleavage or just on my shoulders. I like this stuff. It's pretty cool. Okay, this NYX highlighter in Poppin' Rock. Focus. I haven't used it much, and it's not that impressive, to be honest, so that's gonna go. These are my hard candy ones. They're like, this one says Glow All the Way Ombre Blush in Punch. So it's supposed to be a blush and highlighter in one. And this one is Honeymoon, and it's supposed to be a Blush Crush Baked Blush, but it really comes out more like a highlighter. So kind of like, they're more like, I guess, blush toppers. I am going to let them go. I've had them for a really long time. I used to use them a lot, but I don't really anymore. I used to use this one a lot. Which is the Honeymoon. So those two can go. I'm actually getting rid of a lot more than I thought I would be. This is new. So Susan Dreammaker. In Pop Star. This I'm keeping because I haven't even gotten a chance to try it very much. This is Unicorn Oil, or whatever. I like this. It's Illuminating Glow Elixir. I like to put it on like before my primer to give like an underneath glow. So that's staying. This is the I Love You So Mochi highlighters. I actually really like these. I Love You So Mochi stuff Like, the highlighters I think are better than the eyeshadows. That's just my personal thing. You could see I've used it. There's an indentations, and I do like them, so they are staying. This one I like a lot. This is Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold. It's really, really pretty. So that one's definitely staying. We have another NYX. Yeah, this one is called Candy Cloud. These highlighters that they put in, if you like a highlighter that's very understated, these are fine. I'm not really into that. Like, I like a nice pop out highlighter, and this highlighter is called Cinnamon Spice. It's just not the right color for me. So that goes. So all the NYX ones that I got during the holiday thing, they can all go. This is a Nomad illuminating highlighting powder in Midnight Sun. It's a pretty little highlighter. It's very tiny though, but that's okay. And I've used it a few times. I like it. It's a cute little highlighter. This is a Morphe highlighter in the color Spark. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. So I will be keeping it. This is A2O Rainbow Highlighter. There's anything else on it. That can go. I don't even use it. Rainbow highlighters I thought were cool when they first came out. I know I'm just like, nah, it's just not for me. We got a little Winky Lex highlighter in the color, it's a holographic highlighter in the color Charm. I really like this one. I don't know if it's truly hollow, but I like the color. I think it's nice. So it will be staying. This one is a favorite. It's Laura Geller Gilded Honey, very popular highlighter. There's a little indentation there from using it. I like it. It's staying. Now we got some ColourPop ones. This is Felicity. It looks like it would be really pretty, but it actually is just, the glitter on it's super chunky and I didn't like it. So I'm gonna let it go. I'm actually really surprised the amount of highlighters I'm letting go. Who would ever thought? This one is Hippo. I love Hippo. There might be a little bit of hair in it from brushes or whatnot. As you can see, it's been really panned out. I'm definitely keeping it. I love this one. It's very, very pretty. I would not let go of it. Then we got another ColourPop highlighter in the color School is Fun. Also has been panned. Very pretty. I will be keeping it. It's a Hello Kitty one. It's really cute. Wet n Wild Rainbow Highlighter. I can't even get it open. Oh, it's going because I don't really like rainbow highlighters very much. Okay, we've got these whipped highlighters, which I've barely used. I'm still trying to figure out how to work whipped highlighters, to be honest. So I'm keeping them so I could practice with them. All of these come from Pretties for Your Face. That one was Gold Bar. This one is Silver Crown. See, it's really pretty. And the last one here is Mighty Hecate, Make It Right. Very pretty. So all those are staying. This I've had forever, but the cover's like messed up. As you can see, it's like falling apart. So I'm gonna get rid of it. It's a Luna highlighter, Luna by Luna. It's in the color Calypso. It is really pretty, but the packaging is kind of messed up, so I'm letting it go. Then we've got some Wet n Wild highlighters here. Which one of them is missing, which probably means my daughter. I'll be keeping all of these. This is Precious Pearls, which is, right, Precious Petals, which is one of my favorite highlighters of all. That definitely stays. We've got the Sweetest Bling. Also very pretty. It can stay. The one I like the most is missing here. I'll have to ask my daughter about it because it's like a white frosty color and I really love it. That came from the Game of Thrones thing. This also came from the Game of Thrones. This is Halo Walkers. It's like a frosty blue, really pretty. And then we've got this You Glow Girl from JCat. This is Moonlight. I don't use that one as much, but I'm keeping it. And then You Go Girl in Pink Goddess, which I have used quite a few times that I like very much. And I'm keeping that too. And then we've got some palettes here in Nude Endo highlighters, and they're pretty nice. I will be keeping them. This is Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. We've got some nice funky colors in here. They're okay. A little powdery, but that's okay. I'm alright with it. The Luna color is especially nice. The one at the top here. And these are like some old highlighters. I don't even remember where they came from anymore. We got old highlighters, a bronzer, an eyeshadow. There's just some things that I have hanging around. I don't remember what they are anymore, but they're pretty, and I do use them on occasion, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so I'll be right back, show you everything that I'm gonna keep. So this is everything I'm keeping. I actually got rid of a lot more than I expected to, because, you know, I love highlights, but there was a lot of stuff that I don't use, so yeah. So there we go. And that makes room for new highlights for when I'm able to shop again, as I'm still on my no-buy until April. And these are the things I'm getting rid of. So, not bad. I got rid of a few things. Much more than I expected. So, good job, me. Yeah, the rainbow highlighters, I'm not even keeping one of them. I just don't use them, period. So they're going. Alright. So that is everything. And thank you for watching. And remember to always be kind, even when they don't have any highlighter. Bye-bye, kitty cats.